cat. So we're gonna come over here with him. Look at this fish. We're gonna give him a nice release here. That's a big fish.